Okay, so this is the next morning. So the sponge has been sitting here since around 2 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. You can see it has gone all the way up and then gone down again, which is just the bacteria, the yeasts eating. As you can see, it's quite active. It's a very happy sponge. So all we need to do is add salt and flour to it and shape it into loaves. Okay, so I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 3 cups of flour. Now I am making 3 loaves here. Okay, so adjust the salt according to your taste. You'll add flour as you go. You'll find out what works in the consistency. I will show you what kind of consistency you need. I'm gonna have to put the recorder down because I can only use one hand, but I'll be back. So see here, it's quite a shaggy dough. Like, it's not dry. You don't want it to be dry. Now with this one, you do have to put some elbow grease in it. Knead. Keep kneading at least for 20 minutes. Okay, and then we will show you what it should look like at the end of it, and then what to do. Okay, so now transferred it to the counter, and I'm just continuing to knead. Okay, so basically you'll have a very tacky and a very well put together dough. It did take flouring twice, so I put in about a tablespoon once, mixed it all in, continued to knead, and then I put about 2 tablespoons more,